Hey Tobin, this is Jeff here. I couldn't find a good quality ProPresenter 5 training video, so I just want to do a real quick training video for you so that you can get your hands around it if you've never seen it before in prep for Sunday night vision meeting. So it will be run on this computer that I'm showing it to you on, so it will look just like this. I'll have it up and running for you, or I'll show you how to turn it on. But basically, ProPresenter 5 is a very powerful presentation software program that we will be using at Harvest Brantford. So once it's loaded up, I'll just give you a real quick glimpse of what it all is about, and then we can take it from there later on. So across the top, it's just a toolbar all the way across. These buttons right on the far left are clear buttons. So when things are on screen, ProPresenter works with different layers. So there's options to actually remove just the certain layers. Clear all obviously clears everything off the screen. Slides and then backgrounds. There's other things we can put in here. That's it for now. This is new, where we create new slides and or items. This is the editor, where we edit slides and items. This next one is a video image bin that pops up down here at the bottom of the screen. And that's where you get your moving backgrounds, anything we've purchased, foregrounds, which is another layer, which we're not using Sunday. And then these are called hot folders that I have set up. So they've got all of our slides and videos in for the weekend. So that's what this button up here does. Next is our audio bin, and it pops up over here on the right-hand side. And that's where we play our music from. So February 9th Vision Night playlist, I created it already with this gear right here. And then in that, I've actually got some music here for us. So that's how that works, okay? And that's where it is. Messages is things like if we want to put a message on the screen or a countdown clock and that sort of thing, we can actually show message. And this is our preview over here, so you're seeing it right now. We're not going to use that Sunday night. We will use it in the future. Store, you can buy videos and backgrounds and things like that. Song select is where we get our lyrics from. It's not currently set up yet, but it will be soon. Bibles, where we can put scripture on screen. DVDs we won't use. I'll be ripping all of our videos in. Twitter, we may use that, but not on Sunday. And then these are just other options over here. Output off is a good one to know about because it actually puts your output off. And now that I did it, I got to put it back on. I don't have a projector hooked up, so that's why it blacked out our screen. And then volume is a volume control knob right here. This Pro button right here takes you actually to the ProPresenter store, and there's some great things on here. The video tutorials are really good, so you can check those out later on. I'm not sure how much of this you'll be doing, but for Sunday night, I just wanted to give you a brief overview. Okay, next. This is our preview screen. So basically everything that's on the main screen through the projector will show up right here. Right below it, we have our library, and in here is where we have songs and slides, not videos. It's any non-audio video content, okay? But this is like all of our items, like songs and that sort of thing. Underneath it is our playlist for Sunday. If I open this up, in here is where we could have like multiple playlists set up for us, and you get to those through here. You can create a new playlist. We use Planning Center Online, which you've subscribed to now, and I'll have all the playlists set up. You just basically import them right through here, but for Sunday you don't have to worry about that. I've already got it done. So our playlist is basically our order of service. So basically you click on the very first one, and what happens is it loads it all up into this part of the screen here, and you can actually scroll through our whole service here and see everything that's there. I'll explain in person a little bit more of this stuff with you, but basically you click on the first one and it goes on the screen, and then you can use the right arrow key or you can use the mouse. It's whichever you prefer. Actually, spacebar will do it as well. So you can use the mouse and click, or the trackpad rather, and click, or you can use the arrow keys, left and right, or you can use the spacebar. And basically you'll be able to click through with the right arrow key all the way through our service. This one's got a little background on it, and you can go all the way through, click by click by click, just following along with us for Sunday. Yep, I'm just clicking through some stuff. I'll just show you a video. This might be a little slow because I'm doing a recording and about to show video all on the same computer. But this is where John McMullen will be doing his presentation. He'll go through these. I'm going to be here for part of that as well. It's just really the music stuff that I need here, to really keep your eye open on this. But you just click it, and it actually plays the video with audio.
God is taking the things that He's entrusted to us and extending them by His grace.
There's a little scrub bar here as well, so you can actually scrub along in the video. You would never do this live, but for this training video, I'm just going to go to the end so you see how it acts. So the video comes out like that, and it's going to end on that black. And then, I got to fix that. So that video is actually set to loop, and I want to actually change it. So I just right-clicked on it, and I want to go media properties. I want to go into this gear, and I actually want to tell it to stop when it's done. And I'm going to check the other video that way now too. So let's just check that again. I'll go right near the end.
It's all about
last 8 seconds. Well, that's playing. I'm going to scroll and check the next one. So it should stop now there if you just watch those numbers. Yeah, and it stopped. So then I'd use the right arrow key, and that would take me to the next slide. I'm just going to check this one while we're right here. So I'm going to right-click Media Properties under the gear, and that one I had set to stop. So it just was that one that I missed. And again, I can use the mouse to jump around, and it does really nice fades between things. You'll see this X here. That's this clear all button. I've actually built it into certain slides so that when you get to that end of the video, it'll actually, when you arrow key, it'll actually automatically clear all for you. So basically, you'll be able to just right arrow key through our whole service on Sunday. One last little thing. When we get our title slide in here, pre-service, we're going to open up the audio bin, and we're actually going to just click on this very first audio track here. Okay, and that's going to then actually loop these. I've set these so that it'll play through them and then go back to the beginning. So once that's done, you can actually close the audio bin. And when it's time for the actual service to start, you just hit that, and it will clear the audio and the video. So that's all for now. I will